Welcome to today's math guide. In this video, we'll explore the rules for working with fractions, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Please note, the letters A, B, C, and D are placeholders or unknowns, used just to explain the rules. In real problems, you'll be given actual numbers instead. Alright, let's go. Rule number 1, adding fractions with common denominators. When adding fractions with the same denominator, simply add the numerators and keep the denominator the same. For example, A over B plus C over B equals a plus C over B. Rule number 2, adding fractions with different denominators. When the denominators are different, we find a common denominator from what is given using multiplication. For example, multiply A by D and C by B. Then take the common denominator BD. So, A over B plus C over D becomes AD plus BC over BD. Rule number 3, subtracting fractions with common denominators. When subtracting with the same denominator, just subtract the numerators and keep the denominator unchanged. For example, A over B minus C over B equals a minus C over B. Rule number 4, subtracting fractions with different denominators. If the denominators are different, use the cross multiplication method and take the common denominator. For example, A over B minus C over D, cross multiply to get AD minus BC over BD. Rule number 5, multiplying fractions. To multiply two fractions, multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. For example, A over B times C over D equals a C over BD. Now for the last rule. Dividing fractions. To divide fractions, multiply the first by the reciprocal of the second. For example, A over B divided by C over D, obtaining the reciprocal will give A over B times D over C, which equals AD over BC. Now that you know the fraction rules, practice them to boost your skills. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more math tips.